At Abliva, we are very proud of our research group and their ability to design new medicines for patients with primary mitochondrial diseases. I'd like to introduce you to Eskil Elmér, founder of Abliva and Chief Scientific Officer. Eskil is responsible for designing experiments to support the therapies we are developing, while also creating new therapies.
It was a very special day when we received the blood sample from a child with suspected mitochondrial disease to the lab for the first time. We could rapidly diagnose that the child had a severe mitochondrial disorder, but at the same time we realized that we could reignite the energy production from the mitochondria by providing a nutrient to bypass the problem. There was only one big issue with that. We had to open up the cells to get the nutrient succinate to work. So we contacted chemists around the world and managed to discover a drug that could deliver the nutrient succinate inside cells, a so-called prodrug. Finally, we have showed that these prodrugs of succinate can reinstate energy production also in patient cells, in Leigh patient cells. The findings were published in a high-impact journal, Nature Communications.
What is NV354 and why is it important?
NV354 is a very exciting and innovative compound which comes from our research at Abliva. It is a cell and brain permeable version of an energy nutrient called succinate that is already present within the human body. Many patients with mitochondrial disease have a dysfunction in the first step of energy production. Succinate has the ability to bypass that problem and restore energy output of mitochondria. The goal with NV354 is therefore to increase the cellular levels of succinate and hence the power generation of the human body.
If NV354 is successfully developed, how can it potentially help the patients?
If we can deliver succinate into the cells of the patient, then we hope that they can experience a milder disorder, less fatigue, and an improved function and quality of life. Due to its mechanism of action, the treatment is initially developed for patients with a halt in the first step of energy production, such as Leigh syndrome patients, but succinate treatment could potentially be useful for other patients with mitochondrial disease.
And what is the next step in its development?
We are particularly excited about NV354 as we have just completed the preclinical set of safety experiments that are necessary to support our application for a first clinical study in humans. Over the past few years, we have been carefully analyzing all aspects of NV354. We've studied the safety profile, its ability to improve mitochondrial disease in experimental models, and as well completed the manufacturing process. We are now ready to move NV354 to a phase 1 clinical trial. This is very exciting.